During the 1920s, the decade of Prohibition, cocktail appetizers such as shrimp cocktail, fruit cocktail, were extremely popular. Appetizers were served in cocktail glasses, originally meant to hold alcoholic beverages. Cocktail sauce for shrimp was made with ketchup, horseradish, lemon juice, and a little hot sauce. And it became the perfect pairing for shrimp or other fresh seafood. And I love homemade cocktail sauce. You can open a jar of horseradish and some ketchup and mix your own that way. But if you happen to find, this is a whole root of horseradish, try making fresh horseradish cocktail sauce. And this is what you'll grate. You must peel it before you start to grate it. Now, my mom always sent us outdoors with a box grater and a big hunk of horseradish root to cry in the garden as we grated. And cry you do, because it is really kind of strong, and it is best to grate it outdoors. But on a box grater, it was a lot harder than on one of these fabulous wood rasp type graters. This really works extremely well. And just grate like this. It makes nice, fine pieces of horseradish. See how quickly it does grate? Now put the horseradish right into a bowl and just dampen it with white wine vinegar. I'm going to need a little bit more horseradish than this. And this takes, as you can see, a little while. There, perfect. So get that into the vinegar. And this you'll just dump right into your ketchup. So 3/4 cup of ketchup, approximately a half a cup of vinegary horseradish. And does that smell good? Really, really delicious. And you can buy horseradish roots. You don't have to grow them. Lemon juice, just half a lemon is fine. Now you'll need some salt. For those of you who like sugar, you might want to add like 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. And as much hot sauce as you want. And use your favorite. Now I think that's cocktail sauce. Yummy. Now spoon that into your pretty little bowl that's set in ice, crushed ice, in which are perfectly cooked and peeled and deveined shrimp with the tails on are standing, fit for any starter for your next party. People will adore it.